Climate change and mitigations. Question 1. Which of the following statements is correct about blue carbon? 1. It is sequestered in forest biomass and agricultural soils. 2. It prevents degradation and destruction and promotes restoration of the coastal ecosystem. 3. It contributes to atmospheric greenhouse gases. 4. It is the soot-like byproduct of wildfires and fossil fuel consumption. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 4 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 4 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 only. Question 2. It is the biggest overall contributor to the greenhouse effect and humans are not directly responsible for emitting gas in quantities sufficient to change its concentration in the atmosphere. It can persist in the air for centuries. Its amount can be increased by other greenhouse gases and its amount is strongly related to them. It cycles through the atmosphere very quickly. Identify from the options given below. A. Carbon dioxide. B. Methane. C. Fluorinated gases. D. Water vapor. Question 3. With reference to global warming potential, consider the following statements. 1. It is a relative measure of how much heat a greenhouse gas traps in the atmosphere. 2. For a gas, it is a measure of the total energy that a gas absorbs over a particular period of time as compared to carbon monoxide. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 4. Consider the following with reference to global warming. 1. As per Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, report, increase in global warming will result in the reduction of Arctic permafrost. 2. It is resulting in volcanic ejections, unseasonal precipitation, etc. 3. Kaziranga National Park is releasing more carbon than it is absorbing. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 5. What are the key findings of the 6th Assessment Report of Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC? 1. This emissions growth has been driven mainly by CO2 emissions from the burning of fossil fuels and the industrial sector, as well as methane emissions. 2. Climate change is increasing vector-borne and waterborne diseases such as malaria or dengue, particularly in subtropical regions of Asia. 3. The report identifies India as one of the vulnerable hotspots, with several regions and important cities facing very high risk of climate disasters such as flooding, sea level rise and heat waves. Select the statements given above as correct. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 6. To address the climate change, which of the following are the actions taken by India? 1. National Adaptation Fund for Climate Change, NFCC, for preparing and updating climate scenarios, assessing vulnerability and climate impact assessment. 2. The Government of India created the National Clean Energy Fund, NCEF, in 2020 with the sole purpose of financing and promoting clean energy initiatives. 3. The International Solar Alliance was launched jointly by India and France. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 3 only. Question 7. Recently, evil twin of climate change was in news, associated with which of the following effect of climate change? A. Ozone depletion. B. Ocean acidification. C. Melting of glaciers. D. Heat waves. Question 8. Consider the following statements regarding National Adaptation Fund for Climate Change, NFCC. 1. The Ministry of Finance has established the National Adaptation Fund for Climate Change for scaling up climate change adaptation interventions. 2. NFCC was established in 2015 as a centrally sponsored scheme to meet the cost of adaptation to climate change for the Himalayan states only. 2. SIDBI has been designated as National Implementing Entity, NIE, for implementation of adaptation projects under NFCC. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 only. D. 1, 2 and 3.